Ahoy, sailors! What is Scarlet Night? What makes it so special? And how do you prepare for it? I'm Bob.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're going to share that information with you right now.
Do you have a Virgin Voyages Cruise booked and you're a little bit confused about what the heck Scarlet Night is? We're going to tell you what it is, what to wear, what to expect. Why is it such a big deal?
Yeah.
Because it really is a big deal. Scarlet Night is like the main party night on your cruise.
On the Virgin Voyages Cruise.
Yeah,
yes.
Every single Virgin Voyages Cruise will have a Scarlet Night.
Right.
So why do they celebrate it? There's kind of a myth behind Scarlet Night.
Yes.
So what is it?
This is the story of a sailor and the goddess of the sea that takes place before the moon existed. It's like a sailor was sailing across the ocean and saw something in the water. It was the goddess of the sea in the form of an octopus. Their eyes met. They fell in love. So the sailor could not contain himself on the ship. He dove overboard to the octopus. They both swam really deep into the ocean, actually too deep for him to come back. And unfortunately, he died on the way back up. But their love was so great that the goddess of the sea actually took his spirit and set it into the sky in the form of a red moon.
Yeah.
To guide other sailors in their endeavors.
That's pretty cool.
Yes.
That's pretty cool. There is a little, what is the myth of Scarlet Night in the very beginning of Scarlet Night. If you want to go to that talk, we just kind of summarized it.
Yes.
It'll kind of explain to you, they'll tell you the story of what Scarlet Night is. But from the Virgin Voyages, like, I Googled it. This is how Virgin Voyages explains it. It's through a collection of dances, circus acts, songs, and narrative performances. Sailors become immersed in the story of a brave sailor and the octopus goddess who transforms him into the moon as a testament to their love. So they take the sailors on a journey to celebrate. So that's basically what Scarlet Night is. It's a celebration of the octopus goddess and the sailor, which becomes the moon.
Right.
So that's why they celebrate under the moon when they can.
Yes, because if it's foul weather, you don't celebrate it under the moon. You celebrate it in the red room.
Yes.
And we have done both.
We have done both. So we'll tell you a little bit about how both kind of go down.
Right.
So let's give you a little bit of a timeline on Scarlet Night, first of all, so you can kind of prepare. When do I book dining on Scarlet Night? When, because you don't want to run your dining into Scarlet Night if it's important to you. I would say probably the majority of people on the ship participate in Scarlet Night.
You don't have to. There's other things to do besides Scarlet Night.
Yeah. So if you're not feeling it, if you're not like in the mood for it, you can totally skip it. There are going to be other activities for you, but it's going to be probably the majority. The
majority of the ship will be involved with Scarlet.
Yeah. So why not? It's fun. Get into it.
It's a blast.
Yeah. So Scarlet Night starts around 9 o'clock in the roundabout, which you can either watch it from deck 6 or deck 7. They have a little show.
They have a wedding.
Like a little kind of mock wedding. It's probably the sailor and the sea goddess.
Yes.
Or, something like that.
Yes.
It's just for fun. It's not a real wedding. They usually pick people out of the crowd who want to participate.
Well, one of them is the Happenings cast member and the other is picked out of the crowd.
Right. Yes. So, you can watch that in the roundabout on deck 6 and 7. So, between 9 and 10:30, you can watch the show in the roundabout, and then there's little kind of pop-up parties.
Pop-up parties. That's a good way of putting it.
Yeah, so it's kind of like it starts in the roundabout, and then you're free to kind of move along as you wish.
Right.
Discover things, find things. Or you can go find a little corner, grab a drink, chill out. There's little like dance parties. There can be little circus acts. There can be flash mobs. There can be a number of things for people to kind of do and discover between 9 and 10:30.
You're not going to get everything in on your first Scarlet Night.
No. And they kind of want that for you. They want you to, if you're going to take multiple cruises, they don't want it to be the same exact experience every single time. So they, if you go see one thing, they want you to find something else on your next cruise. It's kind of like a time of like, do what you want.
It is.
Basically.
Yeah, it's kind of it's a time of discovery, and you know, and if anybody knows Virgin, that's what they like. They like you to do that. They don't have signs of, well, you know, which way to go.
Go here, go there.
Go here, go there. They don't tell you. You go and discover the ship. You discover what's going on. You discover yourself.
Right. And what
basically.
we've been told is if you find a member of the Happenings cast in a boiler suit, follow them.
If they ask you to come.
If they call you, say, come with us. You know, they'll lead you to a party. They'll lead you to a little pop-up
They'll lead you
party.
to something special.
Yeah, they will. So, you know, you follow them around. Or, you, like I said, you can go, you know, grab a drink in the bar, chill out until things really start happening. So they call it kind of choose your own adventure until 10:30. So about 10:45-ish, that's when like the real kind of Scarlet Night party happens. If the weather's great, it's going to be up on the pool deck.
Yes.
And if the weather is not so great, they're going to move you guys inside to the Red Room.
Right.
So we've done both.
Yes.
Red Room was our first experience.
Right.
Out on the pool deck was our second experience. Of course, we have a preference.
Of course we do.
Yeah. Because there's nothing better than the Scarlet Night on the pool deck.
Yeah, pulled it under the stars.
Yeah.
It's awesome. And, you know, and the Happenings cast, they have a whole routine, dance routine that they do. There's some of the, like, cast members of some of the shows, they get out there and they perform.
Right.
And it's really a big party.
It really is a big party.
And they say, and if you're on the deck with the pool deck, we were up watching from the top.
Yeah, above the pool deck,
which is just as much fun. But if you're on the pool deck, things can get a little wet because the pool, it will open up and people do go in the pool.
Right, so what happens first is the Happenings cast will get in the pool and do a little like dance kind of thing from the pool, but they're kicking water out of the pool. So if you're right along the edge of the pool,
it's a splash zone.
It's a splash zone. So be prepared for that. Like, people have asked a lot, what do I wear to Scarlet Night? We're going to kind of get into that in just a minute, but just be prepared. There is a potential for you to get wet if you're like right down in the action zone.
Right close to the pool deck.
We kind of prefer to be up above.
I just wanted to see watching other people do this stuff. I mean, it was just as much fun.
It really is.
Yeah.
So what, you know, you choose your own vibe. If you're like a person who likes to get into the action.
Are you a participator or a voyeur?
Apparently, I'm a voyeur.
I'm a voyeur.
But
a participator. Just
there are multiple places to watch what's going on, and you know, things like in the Red Room. You're kind of all in the Red Room, and then the Happenings cast will be up on the stage, and then everybody will be like in the Red Room. This is party.
Yeah, it's like it's like Club 54. Boom,
Studio
boom,
54?
boom. Studio 54.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. But it's, you know, it's a party.
It really is.
It's a real big party.
Yeah.
And the drinks are flowing, and the people are having fun. It's great. It's dancing. It's drinking. It's awesomeness.
Yeah. So that kind of reminds me of something I wanted to mention. Scarlet Night. It does seem like a big old massive party. It's okay if you're not a drinker. You know, you can enjoy Scarlet Night just as much if you're not drinking.
Right.
Whether you choose to have cocktails or not, they make it so that it's fun for everyone, right?
Mm-hmm. But that's the Virgin way.
It is the Virgin way. So don't feel pressured if you're not a drinker or anything like that. Or I'm not going to enjoy it. I'm not going to have fun. You know, since it's just a big, massive party. Don't worry, you know, it's fun for everybody.
Right, and the decorations are so cool. They have like octopus tentacles everywhere.
Everywhere.
And the pool deck has a giant octopus with lit up eyes.
So one of the super cool things that we discovered on our first cruise about Scarlet Night, the lights in the hallways will turn red. The light in the wake in the back of the ship will be red. So go and explore lots of different places around Scarlet Night. Everything is red. So it's really, really cool and immersive just to kind of get into it. And, you know, just let loose and have a good time. You know, enjoy what they're doing. It's just a celebration, and it's a ship-wide party.
Right, basically. You'll have something going on pretty much in every space, like the social club, the athletic club.
Yeah.
There's going to be stuff going on
in
all
the karaoke
over
areas.
The ship.
Yeah, all over the ship.
There's going to be something happening.
So don't be afraid to like go explore. Like we said earlier, you're not going to be able to see everything. You're not going to be able to do everything.
No.
So just go with the flow.
That's right. And that party lasts till about midnight.
Yeah, that party will last about 12:30.
Right.
And then there's an after party,
which takes place in the manor.
In the manor. So if you're really feeling the vibe and you're younger than us, go to the manor.
or whatever.
Yeah, it can go on, until the wee hours.
Yeah, because when you go to the manor, it doesn't even have a closing time. It just says till whenever.
Till whenever.
So you might see the sun come up. Who knows?
You might. We never did.
I know we didn't make it that long, but
No.
I could if I wanted to. Sometimes I value sleep more.
So, what are your favorite parts about Scarlet Night?
My favorite part about Scarlet Night is just getting into Scarlet Night. Like dressing for Scarlet Night, preparing for Scarlet Night is just, to me, is part of the fun.
You can kind of feel the energy in the ship like start to build.
Start to change.
Yeah, start to change and build. And it's a really, really cool experience. We can't tell you exactly what night of your cruise Scarlet Night's going to be. So the best thing for you to do is to consult the app, the Virgin Voyages app.
It's when your booking window opens up for restaurants, the itinerary will be there, and that will tell you when Scarlet Night is.
Yeah, exactly. So kind of look at that. We recommend, since Scarlet Night starts about 9:30, try to do your dining reservations a little bit earlier.
Or if you're a come late to the party kind of person, do
and
that.
that's okay too. Yeah,
it doesn't matter.
If you're a keener like us and you want to see all the things, we like to go to dinner early so we can see.
Well, we want to just get started early because we're not going to be the ones that last the longest. So we get the most out of it. We start early. We're talking about preparing for Scarlet Night. What do we do to prepare for
What do we do to hydrate?
Hydrate. But before that, even before the cruise starts, before we get on the ship,
figure out what the heck you're going to wear.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the more outlandish, the better.
Well, it all just depends on your comfort zone.
Well, for me, I wore a wig last time, and it was like hilarious.
And Bob had a lot of fun.
I had a lot of fun and a lot of comments.
I've read a lot of comments on Facebook groups about what the heck do I wear on Scarlet Night? What's appropriate? And I'm going to tell you right now, anything goes pretty much on Scarlet Night. You can be casual. You can wear a t-shirt and shorts. You can wear a tank top and shorts. You can wear a skirt. You can wear a ball gown. You can wear...
I've seen all of it.
We have seen every single range from super casual to dress to the nines.
Super skimpy.
Yes, skimpy. Like I said, ball gowns, tuxedos, sequins. Anything you want, anything you feel good in, that's the most important thing. Wear what you feel good in and go with it. And
just rock it. Yeah. Work it. That's what you got to do.
Yeah.
Work it.
With the idea in mind that if you're going to be down by the pool, after the Happenings Cast show, people get in the pool. Like, they invite you into the pool. It's not just a, naughty thing to do. They will invite people into the pool. So keep your outfit in mind if you don't care about getting it wet.
Or if you even want to go into the pool.
Yeah, if you even want, you don't have to.
No.
But,
if that's your vibe, go for it.
It is very optional, but just know,
Well, just wear something you don't care getting wet.
Yeah.
Or if you do care, if you're just, had too many drinks to care.
Right. People will kick off their shoes, leave them on the pool deck. It's just a big fun party.
So far, we've worn a different outfit every party. So,
Yeah, and you don't have to wear all red. It doesn't have to be head to toe red.
No.
You can have a little touch of red.
Be sparkly.
Yeah, it can be black and red and white, red and green. If it's Christmas, whatever you guys want to do, just as long as there's a little bit of red.
Right, and if you want to wear silver, you'll stand out like, Mm-hmm.
And we have seen people not wear red at Scarlet Night.
Yeah, not at all.
So, it just all depends on, your level of participation and what you want to do.
Right.
Yeah, we like to go.
We go whole
out.
hog.
We do. Mm-hmm. That's just fun for us.
Mm-hmm. I got something special to wear for Scarlet Night too on our upcoming cruise.
Yeah.
Just prepare to have fun.
Yeah, just prepare to have fun.
Prepare to be amazed.
Be amazed. Prepare to be surprised. Prepare to let go of your inhibitions a little bit. Just enjoy yourself.
Or prepare not to.
Yeah, or prepare not. If you want to go to bed at 9 o'clock, go to bed at 9 o'clock. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's kind of what Scarlet Night is all about. That's why they do it. It's a celebration of the octopus goddess and the moon, which is pretty cool.
It is very cool.
Yeah, they kind of call the octopus goddess the spirit animal of the ships.
Right.
Which, we kind of get into. We like that kind of stuff.
Yeah, we like that kind of stuff.
Yeah, so that's why they do it. That's why it's a big deal. That's why they celebrate and
ask for good fortune from the sea goddess.
Yeah, exactly.
Happy sailings.
Happy sailings.
Mm-hmm. By the way, just so you know, we have a cruise coming up, and we have been preparing for our Scarlet Night. We have been shopping. We have been getting in the groove and getting in the mood, and we can't wait. The anticipation is just crazy thick.
Crazy thick.
Yes.
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 Because we are going on our next cruise in
February.
The
middle of February.
Yes, for your birthday.
For my birthday.
Yeah.
Which happens to be on the 17th.
So we leave on February 16th.
Right.
For our next cruise.
Yes.
We are going back to rock star status.
Yes.
Super excited.
I am too.
So we booked a suite after suite like we had on our very first cruise. We're majorly excited because we are going with our best friends Em and John
from across the pond.
This will be their very first Virgin cruise, so
they don't know what to expect.
They don't know what to expect.
They don't have it yet.
They're gonna have to hydrate.
He's gonna hydrate.
Yes, hydrate.
Yes, big time.
But yeah, we're very, very excited. It's a 5-night cruise.
5-night.
Different itinerary.
Yep, same ship though, Scarlet Lady.
Right, we're going back.
This is our third trip on the Scarlet Lady.
Yes. So where do we go?
We are going to the Dominican Republic.
Yes.
And back to Bimini.
Yes. So I cannot wait.
No, I'm just
we've got like 39 days.
I am so jonesing
from
for this.
Today when we're filming.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So, any questions? Please don't forget to hit the comments. We will answer whatever we can.
Yeah, to the best of our knowledge. We don't know everything, you guys.
Because this is just our experience.
Yes.
People.
Yeah, we don't know everything.
No, and we didn't do everything.
If we don't know, we will try to find it for you.
Yes.
But please let us know if you have any questions, if there's anything we can help you with. We are more than happy. And if you happen to see us on the ship,
say hi.
Say hi.
Yeah, come by.
Yeah.
Talk to us. We like to talk to people.
We do. We really do. We enjoy it a lot. So don't be scared.
Don't be scared. Don't say, oh, I'm not going to bother. Just bother us.
Bother us. Yeah. It's all good.
We have kids.
They bother us.
They bother us all the time. So.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it.
Yes, we do.
So much. If you haven't done so already, please do us a huge favor. It really does help us out a lot. Hit that subscribe button. Ding the notification bell so that you know when we post. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video.
With a creepy smile. Here we go.
Or you can creepy smile or you can frown.
No,
whatever
don't frown.
Okay. Yeah, because if you enjoyed it, you shouldn't be frowning.
Right.
And we will see you guys very soon.
Yes.
Okay? Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.